Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok ads not delivering. First, check your account balance. If your balance is too low, your ads will stop running. Go to the payment section inside TikTok Ads Manager and make sure you have enough funds available. If needed, add more balance so your campaigns can continue. Now go to your campaign dashboard. Select your campaign and then click on Edit. Scroll down until you find the budget section. If your budget is too low, increase it so your ads can start delivering again. A low budget can stop your campaign from entering enough auctions. Right below that, find the bidding section. If your bid is too low, your ads will not compete properly. Increase your bid to give your ads a better chance to win auctions. You can also switch to lowest cost if you want the system to optimize automatically. Next, check your ad status. If your ad is still under review, you may need to wait up to 24 hours. If your ad is rejected, go to the status column and read the reason carefully. Fix any issues such as policy violations or misleading content, then resubmit your ad or submit an appeal. Also review your audience targeting. If your audience is too narrow, your ads may not reach enough people. Try broadening your targeting by expanding age range, interests, or location. This helps improve delivery over time. Follow these steps carefully and your ad should start delivering again. Thanks for watching.